नमस्कार मंडळी, स्मार्ट ट्रॅव्हलर पॉडकास्ट सिरीजमध्ये आपलं परत स्वागत आहे. आता जानेवारी महिना आहे. आपण पुढच्या एप्रिल मे जूनच्या नक्कीच सहली तुम्ही प्लॅन करत असाल, विचार तर करत असाल नक्की की आता कुठे जायचं, काय जायचं. तर गेल्या काही वर्षांमध्ये नॉर्मल आपण ज्या सहली करतो, आपण कुठे फ्लाईटनी जातो, ट्रेनने जातो, बसने जातो, आपण त्या ठिकाणी फिरतो आणि परत येतो परत ट्रेन किंवा बसने. तर याला एक खूप चांगला ऑप्शन गेले काही वर्षात निघाला आहे आणि तो ऑप्शन म्हणजे क्रूज हॉलिडे. क्रूज म्हणजे काय असतं, क्रूज हॉलिडे म्हणजे काय प्रकार असतो आणि तुम्ही तुमच्या पुढच्या सहलीमध्ये या क्रूजचा कसा वापर करू शकाल हे सांगायला माझे आज खास गेस्ट आलेत. एक क्रूज मधले एक्सपर्ट, मी त्यांना म्हणेन, त्यांना एक्सपर्ट शब्द खूप आवडत नाही बोललेला, पण त्यांना क्रूजमधलं खूप कळतं आणि ते आज आपल्याला ॲडवाईस करतील की तुमची पुढची वेकेशन हा क्रूज हॉलिडे का असावा आणि तो कुठल्या प्रकारचा असावा. तर माझे खास गेस्ट आहेत आज श्री उमंग बोथरा. उमंग, थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
थँक्यू.
उमंग सुद्धा पुण्यात असतात. अनेक वर्ष क्रूज इंडस्ट्रीशी त्यांचा संबंध आलेला आहे काही ना काही कारणाने. तर ते आपल्याला ॲडवाईस करतील, मी म्हटल्याप्रमाणे, की क्रूज हॉलिडे म्हणजे काय आणि तुम्ही तुमच्या पुढच्या वेकेशनला एखादी क्रूज त्यात ॲड का नाही करावी. तर उमंग, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद वन बेसिक क्वेश्चन. जैसा मैंने पहले दर्शकों को बताया है कि अभी अप्रैल में का प्लानिंग लोग करने, जनवरी है अभी, तो लोग पीपल स्टार्ट प्लानिंग. तो वाई शुड आई थिंक ऑफ अ क्रूज हॉलीडे? उसमें क्या अलग होता है कंपेयर टू एनी नॉर्मल हॉलीडे दैट आई वुड नॉर्मली टेक?
So why you should select a cruise holiday is because it's a combined package of comfort, value, and variety of destinations.
Okay.
So when I say comfort, then you उसके privileges हैं बहुत सारे. तो जैसे अगर मैं बताऊँ आपको, comfort का मतलब हुआ कि one time packing, one time unpacking. That is the main. Every day you're in a new destination with one time packing and one time unpacking. You don't have to check in, you don't have to check out. ये एक मेन बोल सकते हैं एक प्रोज है ऑफ चूजिंग अ क्रूज हॉलीडे. व्हेनेवर समवन चूजेस अ क्रूज हॉलीडे, उनको चाहिए होता है कंफर्ट, रिलैक्सिंग एंड स्मूथ एंड हैसल फ्री वेकेशन होना चाहिए.
Right.
तो क्रूज इज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन इफ यू आर चूजिंग अ यूरोप cruise, like for a Mediterranean cruise अगर आप choose कर रहे हो, या if you're choosing something in Caribbeans, if you're choosing something in Asia, Far East, or in India.
Correct.
So I believe cruise is something which gives you a combined package of dining experiences, different dining experiences plus activities, then a lot of Broadway shows, entertainment, movies under the stars. These are few things. Plus there's themed parties, like for an example, tropical theme parties going on, white themed parties, like a lot of different. और हर एक पैसेंजर के अकॉर्डिंग हम उन्हें क्रूज सजेस्ट करते हैं. There's everything, something, there's some or the other thing for everyone
there.
Yes.
Right.
So if like उन्हें अगर किस कॉन्सेप्ट पे क्रूजिंग पे जाना है, क्या पर्पस है उनका ट्रैवल करने का, तो उन सारे पर्पसेस को क्रूज मीट करता है. So I'll give you an example. Like if anyone is planning for a bachelor's trip, then there's a specific cruise liner for them. There are more than 400 cruise liners, sir. So if people, 400 cruises actually. Sorry, 400 cruises and different cruise liners. Though there are so many destinations, so many cruises. जैसे अब किसी को कोई इवेंट प्लान करना है, birthday celebrations, anniversaries, ये सारी चीजें.
For these, cruise is a good option.
Correct. Cruise is a very brilliant option because at one place you get everything.
And I think अपने यहाँ पे cruising as an option of a holiday started about maybe 6 to 8 years in a big way. 6 to 8 years back.
6 to 8 years back.
In Europe and US, it's been there for more than a few decades now.
Because Europeans and in the Caribbean, people prefer cruising. In the US and in the Europe, people prefer they choose cruising for their vacations, and that's more and that's smart way of traveling also.
I think one big plus point of cruising is that जो हम लोग नॉर्मल जिंदगी में इतने भीड़ भाड़ में जल्दी में सब कुछ करते हैं, cruising more of a relaxed holiday.
It's more of a relaxed holiday.
more peace to be at itself.
एब्सोल्युटली, बिकॉज इट्स मोर ऑफ अ रिलैक्स्ड हॉलीडे ऑल्सो, बट ये एक इंसान के सोच पे भी बिलीव करेगा कि आप किस टाइप के मतलब किस टाइप का वेकेशन आपको चाहिए. इफ यू वांट समथिंग एकदम थ्रिलिंग वेकेशन आपको चाहिए, तो क्रूज कैन बी द मोस्ट एडवेंचरस vacations of your life, because they have
Right.
so many activities going on. Activities in the sense, अगर आपको adventure चाहिए, so you get slides, water slides, aqua parks, jacuzzis, swimming pools. Then there's few ships have roller coasters.
Oh.
Then there are few ships which also have go-karting. So these kind of activities, these kind of thrills, rock climbing. So these kind of activities people want, and it's very adventurous also.
Right.
It's
So,
very adventurous.
Correct. So coming back to what you said earlier, check in check out ज़्यादा होती नहीं है, so you don't need to that hassle of packing unpacking वो निकल जाता है. Plus, even though you're not checking in and checking out, you're still going to multiple destinations in one cruise.
Yes.
Staying in just one room of the ship, right?
Ship.
So that's a big advantage.
Big advantage. So you can cover up 4 to 5 countries or cities,
Right.
while sailing in one particular ship.
Exactly.
And I would say a ship itself is a destination.
Right.
Ship itself is a big
Right.
destination.
Right.
Ships are so huge nowadays. You have so many things to see, so many activities, so many shows going on
Correct.
board. There are, you can just, or else if you don't have anything to do, you can just sit back on the shack and you can just relax and hear the waves.
Right.
So
Right.
it's a very different experience. It's a very different
Right.
experience.
Right.
One day you choose not to travel, not to,
Just chill.
just chill. And one day you decide कि हम पूरा दिन सिर्फ travel ही करेंगे, और
Right.
एक दिन आप decide करते हो आप सिर्फ बैठे रहोगे,
Right.
relax करोगे. So all things are taken care of by the cruise liner itself.
Correct. So coming to that point also, two questions as to what you said earlier. One is, आपने बोला कि entertainment program होते हैं, ये वो होते हैं. So are they free or are they chargeable? That is one question. And secondly, when you travel to multiple countries, multiple cities in the boat, right? Do you get time to go outside? So how are the both of these managed? First is
I'll
the
talk about the
entertainment.
destinations.
Destinations, okay.
Destinations. See, whenever a ship docks at a particular destination, it docks at a particular time, and it has more than 7 to 8 hours. तो
Okay.
गेस्ट को 6 से 7 घंटे आराम से मिलते हैं एक पर्टिकुलर डेस्टिनेशन कवर अप करने के लिए.
Okay.
And that's, I believe, more than enough to explore a particular city and come back to the ship.
Normal city tours तो उतने ही होते हैं, 4-5 घंटे के होते हैं.
अगर आप कोई भी सिटी का सिटी टूर अगर ले भी ले तो मैक्सिमम 3 ओरिएंटेशन टूर अगर आप बोलें तो 3-3.5 घंटे का ही होता है, 3.5-4 घंटे का, बट स्टिल यू गेट 6 hours,
Okay.
6 to 7 hours of time period.
So you can do that. The ship takes you outside.
Yes, you can
Okay.
do that. You can travel by yourself also.
Okay.
Like once the ship is docked, आप खुद से भी travel कर सकते हैं. You
Okay.
can just travel around, take a
Okay.
city tour and come back to the ship.
Okay.
or else आप ship से excursions purchase कर सकते हो.
Okay.
Or else you can tell your professional travel agents to book the
Sightseeing tours.
sightseeing tours and
Right.
everything.
Right.
So वो एक point है.
Correct.
Secondly, अगर मैं बोलूँ कि आपके meals वगैरह जो inclusions होते हैं ये सब चीज़ों में, तो you do your breakfast and then you head for the excursions.
Correct.
तो आप जैसे meals आपका breakfast आपने खत्म किया, आप excursions कर लो and then lunch time तक आप वापस आ जाओ.
Okay.
Or else you can just plan out the other way.
Got
You can have your lunch and then
Got it.
go back to the
Got it.
excursion part.
Got it.
That's that.
And then about the normally all meals are taken care of.
All meals
Breakfast,
are
lunch
taken care of. Yes.
in all cruises.
5-time meals are taken care of. 4
Okay.
to 5 times meals are taken
Okay,
care
okay,
of. So
okay.
starting from breakfast,
Okay.
lunch, your high tea,
Okay.
dinner, and then midnight snack.
Okay. If you want a midnight snack
Yes,
also.
midnight snack also. Till कुछ ships में तो 3-3:30-4 बजे तक भी pizzas available होते हैं.
And Indian food is not an issue nowadays.
Indian food is not an issue. Jain meals are not an issue. So this is something आपके कोई dietary कुछ plans है. If you're allergic to something,
Correct.
then those things are also taken care of.
Okay. That's good.
So cruise liners works with very, I would say it works with very perfection about the dietary things, because
Right.
they are very concerned about the guests. If you have any allergic things, so आप उसमें कर सकते हैं वैसे.
I think with the number of Indians traveling now, most crew liners will have to or must have done this to
Correct.
get in more Indians also, because इंडियन फूड इज अ मेजर कंसर्न फॉर पीपल ट्रैवलिंग अब्रॉड,
Absolutely. Indians
क्योंकि
have the
वो
major
खाना नहीं
concern
मिलता है, एंड
because
आफ्टर 2-3 days people start getting
most
bored
of
of the.
मोस्ट ऑफ द शिप्स अगर मैं आपको बताऊं तो हमारे इंडियन शेफ्स हैं वहां पे, जैसे
okay.
सिंगापुर में इंडियन शेफ्स हैं
Okay.
जो वो टेस्ट इंडियंस का एक्चुअल टेस्ट समझते हैं, यू नो. सो इफ यू लाइक आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स अगर हैं कि आपको
Okay.
जैन मील ही चाहिए तो यू विल गेट जैन मील.
Okay.
प्रॉपर जैन फूड विल बी अवेलेबल फॉर थ्रू आउट.
Oh,
जैसे आपके ब्रेकफास्ट में भी वो अवेलेबल रहेगा, लंच में भी अवेलेबल रहेगा, डिनर में भी रहेगा, सब में अवेलेबल रहेगा.
Great.
तो दीज आर द फैक्टर्स व्हिच मेक्स क्रूज मोर इंटरेस्टिंग.
anytime. And also, I'd asked you a question about the entertainment programs. Are they part of the cruise ticket or cruise fare, or are they free or are they chargeable? Basic
सो
question.
ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा सवाल है, बिकॉज आप कभी भी कोई भी क्रूज बुक करते हो, इट
Right.
कम्स विद एन ऑल इंक्लूसिव प्लान.
Okay.
सो इसमें 90% ऑफ द थिंग्स आर इंक्लूडेड इन योर प्लान.
Oh,
So
okay.
if I say आपके क्रूज पे, your first thing first, I'll talk about the inclusions. What
Okay,
are the
fine,
inclusions in
fine.
one tariff?
Fine.
Your accommodation,
Correct.
like whichever category you select as a cabin,
Correct.
that accommodation is included.
Right.
Your 5 times 4 times meals is inclusive in that. Your destinations are inclusive in that, and all the shows, the Broadway shows, aqua theme parks, your
Okay,
swimming pool,
okay.
jacuzzi, the access to swimming pool and the jacuzzi, each and everything is inclusive in that.
Oh, nice.
If talking
nice.
about the exclusions, there are few exclusions which I'll talk about, which you have to pay extra for it. It's the Wi-Fi package first,
Okay.
because at sea you don't get the network, so there's a satellite and it's expensive. So,
Okay.
so there's a certain charge for it. So आपके Wi-Fi के charges एक होते हैं, and if you want to add on a beverage package, then beverage package के थोड़े additional charges होते हैं इसके. That's it.
Okay.
But अगर आप वो सारी चीजें include कर लेते हो pre-hand, so
Right.
it's comparatively cheaper also.
Okay.
So
okay.
what you pay on board and what you pre-purchase,
Right.
it's slightly cheaper.
Right. And better to pre-purchase. And
Better to
then-
pre-purchase and go for an all-inclusive. You don't have to touch your wallet.
Exactly.
You don't have to touch your wallet. You are traveling hassle-free.
Mhm.
All your meals, you know, your alcohol package, your beverage packages are inclusive in that. Tea, coffee, you know, mocktail, cocktails, beers, whiskeys, everything is inclusive in the beverage package. And till the bar is open.
Right.
And plus your Wi-Fi is also inclusive, so your work doesn't stop.
Mm.
So you can, like, a lot of people have that
Correct.
habit, you know, so work on, and they need Wi-Fi
Right.
all the
right,
time.
right,
So your
right.
work doesn't stop, your Wi-Fi is top speed,
Mm.
your beverage package is taken care of, your meals are there, your accommodation is taken care of, plus again your destination is taken care,
Correct.
all with a plus point of one-time packing and unpacking.
Exactly. I
So
think that's the USP of
so it's
cruising.
a floating hotel, it's a
Right.
floating resort which takes you to places. Destination comes to you. You
अरे,
don't go
क्या
to
बात
the
है।
destination.
क्या बात है.
So that's
the perfect way to put
that's a very perfect way, because destination comes to you.
Mm.
You don't go to a destination. Whereas in land part, there's a different way of.
I would say you float to a destination.
Correct. You float to a destination.
Nice. I think that's the basic concept of what a cruise is.
Correct.
And why should people think of a cruise when planning a vacation, right? तो इंडिया में अगर मुझे मेरे समझो पासपोर्ट नहीं है, या मुझे आई डोंट टू स्पेंड अ बॉम्ब ऑन हॉलीडे,
Correct.
तो इंडिया में ऐसे कोई क्रूजिंग का कंसेप्ट है अवेलेबल जहाँ से मैं इंडिया में ही जाके क्रूज ले सकता हूँ?
एब्सोल्युटली सर, लास्ट 2-3 सालों से क्रूजिंग इतना बढ़ गया है इंडिया में.
Okay.
लोग खुद से चल के मांग रहे हैं क्रूजेस. जैसे हमारे इंडिया में एक ब्रांड है जिसका नाम है कॉर्डेलिया क्रूजेस.
ओके.
सो कॉर्डेलिया क्रूजेस इज समथिंग जो इंडिया से लग्जरी क्रूज का एक्सपीरियंस आपको जो दे रहा है विद एन ऑल इंक्लूसिव पैकेज. इट्स अमेजिंग. मतलब बॉम्बे से स्टार्ट होता है.
Okay.
द आइटनरीज आर वेरी सिंपल.
Okay.
इट सेल्स ऑन 2-nighter, 3-nighter and 5-nighter and 4-nighter itineraries.
ओके.
So throughout the week चलते ही रहता है. तो you have from Bombay to Bombay, you have 2-nighters.
ओके.
Then there is a 3-nighter which goes to Goa, starts from Bombay, goes to Goa and comes back to Bombay. 3 nights, 4 days.
इसमें भी people can get down and visit, do a Goa
Yes,
city tour and come back.
definitely.
Okay.
You go to the beach, you can
Okay.
chill, you can come back to the ship,
Okay,
and
okay.
that's the concept.
Right,
So
right.
they are following the same concept what we follow
Correct.
in the international markets.
Correct.
Plus, the most exciting destination I want to talk about where Cordelia takes you to is Lakshadweep.
Oh, अच्छा.
It's a very beautiful, crystal clear beach, crystal clear water,
Exactly.
you know, clean beaches, crystal clear water. and you can do your water sports there, and the itinerary is amazing, and the price point and everything, if we talk about it, it's very affordable, and it's a different experience because you don't have to book a flight to go to a destination and board a cruise.
Right.
So from here only you can experience what an international level of cruising looks like.
And getting to Lakshadweep as it is not so easy nowadays.
Absolutely.
It's quite, there's a lot of hassle in that.
A lot of paperwork and all of
Exactly.
those things. You have to take
Exactly.
permit or something, I've heard.
And the flights are not
cruise liner,
quite good to reach there.
Cruise liner takes care of everything, sir. If I tell you, once you book a Bombay, Lakshadweep Bombay 4-nighter cruise, cruise liner will take care of everything. You don't have to do anything. You just have to give your Aadhaar cards.
Oh.
And you have to complete your booking process.
Okay,
That's it.
Okay.
So in Cordelia, the main speciality for Cordelia is they have shows which is personally created by Viscraft.
Oh, that's the Indian company.
Viscraft is a event management
Right.
company. उनके shows, international level shows होते हैं वहाँ पे. Broadway shows हैं वहाँ पे.
Okay.
Bollywood nights हैं. There's parties going on, DJ parties. There's Zumba classes in the morning.
Oh.
Those kind of activities. If a perfect for senior citizens, perfect for youngsters, perfect for everyone. No one will ever get bored in that ship.
Okay.
There's so many entertainment. Like if
Nice.
anyone is fond of casinos, they can just enter the casino and they can play, they can come back.
Okay.
There's the best part of Cordelia is it comes with an all-inclusive plan where in different cruise liners you have to purchase the beverage package, but it's already included in the tariff.
Oh,
So you get 24/7 alcohol package as well. It's just the extra charge what you need to pay is for Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Rest everything is inclusive.
Oh, nice.
And the best part about Cordelia is the food.
Acha.
Of course, it's an Indian brand,
Correct.
Indian cruise
Correct.
and everything.
Correct,
But
correct.
here I'll give a +10 for food because इसमें इतने पर्सनली इन चीज़ों को देखी गई है, इन चीज़ों को मतलब when I have been to Cordelia, the first I loved is the concept of food they have made. There's a restaurant called Starlight.
Okay.
It's a 2-floor ship.
Okay.
मतलब 2 floor का restaurant है. First floor is completely veg.
Okay.
When you go upstairs, the upper floor is for the non-veg.
Okay. That's good.
So the non-vegetarians can't come to the veg section. The veg sections cannot go to the non-veg sections. The plates doesn't get interchanged.
क्या बात है.
प्लस एक प्लस पॉइंट ये है कि वहां पे एक स्पेशली अलग से एक जैन काउंटर बना हुआ है.
Very nice.
स्पेशली द बुफे लगी हुई है जैन मील्स के लिए. वेज मील्स की बुफे तो है ही, बट साथ ही साथ में जैन मील्स का भी बुफे लगा हुआ है. सो आप मतलब कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. कोई स्पेशल रिक्वेस्ट डालने की जरूरत नहीं है कि ये जैन मील चाहिए, या कोई स्पेशल रिक्वेस्ट डालने की जरूरत नहीं है कि ये प्योर वेजिटेरियन चाहिए. Everything is taken care of.
Very nice.
And this particular thing I
It's very
appreciate.
thoughtful. Very thoughtful.
Because इन्होंने पूरा hospitality they have catered as per the Indian requirements.
Correct.
Cordelia, I would say they have understood the concept, like what the Indians want.
Indian psyche.
Like
Right.
Indian travelers are a little bit finicky about food and everything, and they have मतलब उन्होंने हर एक चीज के बारे में minutely सोचा है कि Indians को क्या पसंद है.
Oh, nice.
उस हिसाब से उन्होंने अपनी पूरी क्रूज को डिजाइनिंग की है.
Okay. तो फिलहाल इंडिया से ये एक ही क्रूज चलता है.
ये एक ही क्रूज है, बट देयर इज अनदर लाइक अभी बहुत ही अच्छा एक न्यूज आया है अभी रिसेंटली कि 2026 में दे आर लॉन्चिंग 2 more ships.
Oh.
सो उन्होंने नए नॉर्वेजियन क्रूज लाइंस के 2 ships अभी परचेज किए हैं.
Okay.
और लीज पे लिए हैं.
They'll start from Bombay only.
They'll start from Bombay. They'll start from one ship will start from Chennai, one ship will start from Bombay. One is for the international this thing.
Oh, nice.
Itineraries have already been launched.
Okay.
So
very good.
very excited. I'm very excited about this particular thing because 3 ships from India itself
That's very
and an
good.
Indian brand.
Correct.
That
means one thing that in India cruise tourism is picking up. People are showing
tourism
interest.
is picking up, and I would like to thank, I would appreciate Cordelia's efforts, what they have taken, and what level of in tourism
Right.
they have been to.
Right. And even I also heard that they are building a big cruise terminal in Mumbai port
Yes,
also now
definitely.
to cater to this increased demand.
Increased demand. ये वही है ना सर, अब 3 ships आ रही हैं, फिर इंटरनेशनल शिप्स भी है जो मुंबई होके फिर जाती है. There are so many ships coming up, so उसके लिए एक टर्मिनल होना तो that was very essential.
Right. But Cordial doesn't travel international, only within India?
No, definitely it travels to international as well.
Oh, okay.
So season wise, वो mainly तो most of the itineraries are in India, domestic
Okay.
itineraries ही हैं.
Okay.
But जून और जुलाई में हाई टाइड की वजह से वो it sails from चेन्नई.
मानसून होता है अपने
मॉनसून
side में.
होता है, हाई टाइड होती है, तो वो चेन्नई से सेल करता है. इट गोज टू श्रीलंका
Oh.
एंड इट कम्स बैक टू चेन्नई. So
Oh,
Chennai to Chennai,
oh.
5-nighter Sri Lanka, where it covers 3 destinations: Trincomalee, Hambantota, Jaffna,
जाफना जाती है.
and all of these 3
Oh, nice,
destinations.
nice.
Very beautiful destinations, I
Nice.
would say. And but
So
the
it sails from Chennai.
it sails from Chennai.
But for that you need a passport.
Yes, for that you need a passport. You're
But
going to
normal
the international.
जो बॉम्बे से है, उसको जरूरत नहीं है.
बॉम्बे से उनके लिए तो सिर्फ आधार कार्ड की
आधार
जरूरत
कार्ड
है,
की
बट
जरूरत
हाँ
है.
इंटरनेशनल्स के लिए यू नीड अ पासपोर्ट.
Okay,
And
okay, okay.
the best part is the visas and everything is taken care of by the cruise liner.
liner.
Nothing, you don't have to do anything.
Right.
You just have to give your passport. You have to, as I said, जैसे आप जितना easily आप अपना बॉम्बे टू बॉम्बे बुक करते हो, उतना ही
easy.
इजी आपको चेन्नई टू चेन्नई में
चेन्नई.
श्रीलंका का बुकिंग कर सकते
Right, right.
हो. वेरी इजी.
Oh, nice.
So it's
Good.
easy. Actually, it's easy, very easy for the travel agents also to sell because they have. Cordelia has made it so hassle free and इतना simple बना दिया है उन्होंने पूरा system that it's very easy for the customers also to understand the
Correct.
concept.
Correct,
And it's very easy for the travel agents also to understand
Right.
of selling
Correct.
how to sell a cruise
Correct,
and what all
correct.
things are inclusive in this.
Right,
And
right.
because of this, a lot of agents didn't have the confidence of selling cruises, I would say. But after selling Cordelia and after knowing what actual cruising is, they have started selling the international brands
Right.
as well.
Right, right.
So they have started adding up the cruises in the
Right.
international.
Even they got to know कि cruising एक option दे सकते हैं
Option दे
customers
सकते
को.
हैं instead of giving another country. Anyways, the cruise is taking you to the country and
Right.
at a very affordable price.
Exactly.
Then why not?
Exactly.
You know, booking of आप अगर एक कंट्री सिंगापुर दे रहे हो फॉर एन एग्जांपल, तो वहां से आप अगर दूसरा कंट्री देना चाहो तो आप फ्लाइट्स करोगे, फिर फ्लाइट्स के साथ आपके होटल्स, फिर लैंड अरेंजमेंट्स, ऑल ऑफ दिस हैसल. उससे अच्छा एक क्रूज दे दो सिंगापुर से, इट गोज टू मलेशिया, कम्स बैक टू सिंगापुर.
Correct.
सो ये कॉन्सेप्ट अब लोगों को, एजेंट्स को, कस्टमर्स को खुद समझ में आ रही है, गेस्ट्स को खुद समझ में आ रही है कि it's of no use. We are getting all the meals, we are getting accommodations, we are getting a country, we are getting a big ship which is itself is a destination. So
it's like I think it's like a 5-star floating hotel.
Floating hotel with the perks of theme park, sir.
Exactly.
Perks, I would say there's water slides as I discussed earlier. There's water parks, there's jacuzzis, private swimming pools.
Everything. It's more than 5-star, I would say.
More than 5-star.
More than 5-star.
Luxury.
Right. Coming back to the places, like you talked about India, Cordial सबसे बड़ा एक ही नाम है अभी तो.
Correct.
फिलहाल
अभी तो
as of
फिलहाल
date,
एक ही है.
as of today's date. But now suppose I want to travel within Asia. यूरोप में आपने बात किया, पहले यूरोप में है, कैरिबियन में तो यूएसए में बहुत चलता है, बट विद इन एशिया जैसे सिंगापुर है, मलेशिया है, हांगकांग है, सो इन दीज एरिया आल्सो क्रूजिंग इज क्वाइट पॉपुलर.
It's more than popular.
More than popular.
More than popular, I would say, because और अगर मैं बात करूँ फार ईस्ट की, तो अब एक चीज़ें हैं होती है कि सिंगापुर इज समथिंग which I would say it is already known as a cruising capital of Asia.
अच्छा.
मेरे words में अगर मैं ऐसे एक definition दूँ about Singapore, it's the cruising capital of India.
क्या बात?
Asia. Why I'm giving this title to Singapore is because like so many ships are sailing there and to so many various places. It's remarkable. It's amazing. Our very own Star Dream Cruises. Star Cruises and Dream
Star
Cruises.
Cruises is a very old company.
Very old company, and Star Cruises has a very बहुत ही
उनका काफी ब्रांड फेमस है इंडिया में.
हाँ, ब्रांड कितना फेमस है इंडिया में, कितने लोग ऑलरेडी जा चुके हैं, लाइक जेमिनाई.
So that same company is still going on.
Still company is still going on.
Okay.
And also they have a different brand under that brand itself. It's Dream Cruises.
Okay.
Names as Genting Dream.
Okay.
It sails throughout the year in Singapore.
Oh.
For 2 nights, 3 nights, 4 nights and 5 nights.
Okay.
So recently, from the next year onwards, they'll be sailing for 4 nights and 5 nights itineraries as well. So anyways वो 2 nights और 3 nights के itineraries में सेल कर ही रहे थे every
right,
Sunday, Fridays and
right,
Tuesdays.
right,
But now they have added up few itineraries for 5-nighters and 4-nighters as well,
Okay.
and which is very nice. The itineraries, if I say, it goes to Bali.
From Singapore.
From Singapore, it
Okay.
goes to Bali, and then there's one destination. Anyways, Malaysia and Thailand is तो है ही है. उसके साथ साथ एक रदांग they have added up.
That's an island, I think,
That's
Malaysia.
an island that they have added up.
It's a beautiful place.
It's a very beautiful place.
Normally, people will not go there in a Malaysia itinerary.
Correct. Correct. So it's an offbeat thing.
It's beautiful.
Because Bali is something very, very different and innovative. And for 5 nights and exploring the Bali regions and coming back to Singapore, it's something amazing. I'm really looking forward to, give.
So they're planning it this year now, 2026.
2026, they're planning it after.
Singapore to Bali.
Singapore to Bali. Singapore,
nice.
Bali, and then coming back to Singapore. You can continue with your itinerary with Singapore, or you can come back to India.
So here in Singapore, how do you recommend? Say people stay for 3 or 4 nights in Singapore city, do Singapore, Sentosa, Universal and all the basic sites there, and then go on a cruise?
Definitely.
What do normally people do in this case?
If you're a first timer, then I would definitely recommend if you're going to Singapore. Singapore is the option where you can travel for 4 nights or 5 nights as per you.
Okay.
But after that, you just take a 2-nighter cruise.
Okay.
Just for an experience. You'll come to know what actual cruising is. I always recommend all my travel partners that, if you're selling a 3-nighter, 4-nighter cruise, just give an option for 2-nighter.
Okay.
No matter what category they are going on, if it's a basic inside cabin also, please sell. Inside cabin, balcony cabin, as per the budget. The main concern, all the travel agents give me a feedback about it. If we add cruise, it goes over the budget of the client. But I tell them why you need to offer them a balcony cabin all the time, where there's an option for inside cabin also, and at the same time, all the inclusions are the same.
Same, right.
You're seeing all the shows. You're eating the same thing with the balcony category.
Right.
People are having it.
So there's no discretion in that, discrepancy in that.
नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं है सर. मैं वही बोलता हूँ कि आप इनसाइड कैबिन सजेस्ट करो ना. बजट है, आप इनसाइड कैबिन दीजिए, आप एक ऑप्शन रखिए. बिकॉज आप जब तक क्रूज ऑप्शन नहीं देंगे तब तक क्लाइंट नहीं खुद से मांगेगा. You have to suggest them, you have to tell them that 2-nighter cruise is a must. When you go to Singapore, cruising is mandatory. In my words, I would say cruising is mandatory.
Exactly.
Then वो उनका choice है, वो करे नहीं करे, but cruising is mandatory. For 2 nights, you should definitely add a cruise for 2 nights because वो experience एक अलग होगा. There are a lot of clients, after doing a 2-nighter, 3-nighter cruise in Singapore, they have asked for a European cruise. They have asked for a Mediterranean cruise खुद से कि वो बोल रहे कि अब हम long duration, long sails करेंगे. 7 रात 10 रात के क्रूज करेंगे. We want to explore more destinations via cruise.
एक बार वो 2 नाइट का सैंपल कर लिया.
2 नाइट का
सैंपल कर लिया. भैया इसमें मजा ज्यादा है.
Yes, and also travel agents are also happy because clients you don't have to force anyone. Clients खुद से ही चल के आके क्रूज मांग रहे हैं. तो ये एक चीज है कि मैं हमेशा रेकमेंड करता हूँ, आप एक 2-nighter क्रूज ऐड करिए ही करिए अपने आइटनरी में. 3 नाइट्स दीजिए सिंगापुर, 3 नाइट्स 4 नाइट्स सिंगापुर दीजिए और 2 नाइट्स क्रूज ऐड कीजिए. अ वीक पूरा आपका एक 7 दिन का प्लान बन जाता है अकॉर्डिंगली.
लेकिन अभी ये सिंगापुर से कहाँ जाते हैं? मले आपने बाली तो अभी चालू हो रहा है.
हाँ, अभी तो वो स्टार्ट हो रहा है, बट देयर इज अ 2-nighter एंड अ 3-nighter आइटनरी. ठीक है, 2-nighter आइटनरी एक starts from Singapore, goes to Malacca, comes back to Singapore, 2 nights 3 days. Then there's 3-nighter cruise, which is उसमें 2 आइटनरीज है सर. एक मलेशिया आइटनरी है और एक थाईलैंड आइटनरी है. So it starts from Singapore. One is the Thailand one. Starts from Singapore, goes to Phuket.
Oh, nice.
And then comes back to Singapore.
Okay.
So 2 countries हो गए आपके, 2 countries हो गए. और फिर उसके बाद वो मलेशिया की आइटनरी है, which goes to Penang. You can explore the Penang hills. Right. बाहर जाके you can take that train and go up. And
Penang actually is as good as Langkawi.
It's very beautiful.
It's as good as Langkawi, if not better actually.
Very beautiful. You go on the top of the hill of the Penang hill, and then you see the views, the whole Penang hill, and you can see the ship literally from the hill itself. It's very beautiful. You take a train up.
Right.
The tram goes up, and it's very, very nice. And then it goes to Port Klang.
That's Kuala Lumpur.
Kuala Lumpur, Port Klang. You can explore. You can have a city tour of Kuala Lumpur, and you can come back.
Okay, nice.
It's nice. A very nice experience.
So you can add it to your Singapore तीन चार दिन
Correct.
करके यू कैन ऐड दिस
करेक्ट 3 नाइटर क्रूज आप
To
add कर
Malaysia.
सकते हो क्रू मलेशिया और एल्स अगर आपको मलेशिया नहीं करना है तो आप फुकेत कर
Phuket
लीजिए
करो.
फुकेत इज समथिंग मोर रिलैक्सिंग
मोर
you
रिलैक्सिंग.
go to the beach you chill you go for shopping you do your shopping thing and come back Petong Bay में रुकती है perfect itinerary and you go to the
बेस्ट आइटनरी.
best itinerary है सर 3 नाइटर itinerary है
राइट. तो सिंगापुर में
and there's sorry
हाँ, इट्स ओके.
and there's one more itinerary
श्योर.
which is an high seas weekend itinerary
ओके.
Friday Saturday Sunday
ओह.
Singapore high seas Singapore
अच्छा,
so you're in
just
the
travel.
just international waters
Okay.
and the ship comes back to Singapore.
Oh, nice.
So these are the 3 itineraries which is going on at the moment. But next year, say you'll see more itineraries. They have gotten 4 nighters and 5 nighters, as I said.
जैसे हमने बाली का बोला वैसे.
Absolutely 3 nighters और 2 nighters तो हमारे as it is रहने ही वाले हैं. But उसके साथ साथ 4 nighters and 5 nighters भी उन्होंने ऐड किए हैं.
ग्रेट. तो अभी सिंगापुर से is that the only company, because you said it's the cruise capital, so is that the only
It's a
company
cruise
running?
capital, yes,
Are there
absolutely.
other
I
companies
was
also?
coming up to that only.
Okay.
Actually, there are 3 brands
Uh-huh.
which are sailing at the moment.
Okay.
At the moment, अभी अब मैं आपको बताऊं तो Genting Dream तो throughout the year चलता ही है.
Mhm.
Second brand है Royal Caribbean.
Okay.
ये सीजन के लिए Ovation of the Seas चल रहा था for 2025. For 2026 December, Royal Caribbean usually winters के लिए आता है. Starts
Okay.
from October to March.
Okay.
It comes in the winter season.
Okay.
So अब Navigator of the Seas चलने वाली है 2026 में. तो it's a brilliant ship. Royal Caribbean is a big brand.
Big
और
brand.
brand के name पे ही it sells off. So there's Royal Caribbean and then the biggest launch
Uh-huh.
in Singapore.
Okay.
And the biggest ship which I'll talk about is Disney Adventure.
Oh.
Yes.
Disney.
Disney Cruise Lines. It's all based on Disney themed.
अच्छा.
And it's the biggest ship coming in Asia right
Oh,
now. sir.
nice.
It's the biggest ship coming in Asia, and everyone is really excited about this ship because this ship is something different. It doesn't go to a destination, but its itinerary is high seas basically,
Okay.
and they want you to stay in the cruise and experience the cruise. It sails on 3 nighters and 4 nighters itinerary. All high seas, Singapore to Singapore.
Okay.
Every Monday is a 3 nighter and every Thursday is going to be a 4 nighter. If I talk about the ship, I would say Disney Cruise Lines के भी fleets में सबसे बड़ा fleet यही है. The biggest vessel of Disney.
Oh.
And the biggest ship which is coming up in Singapore.
Oh, nice.
And the sailing starts from 10th of March 2026.
Okay, and
The
they've
inaugural sailing.
started taking bookings also.
Bookings they have started taking the bookings.
Oh. और पूरा
1 साल
Disney.
पहले से ही सर बुकिंग स्टार्ट हो गई थी
अच्छा.
एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द सेलिंग डेट्स आर ऑलमोस्ट सोल्ड आउट most of the categories are almost sold out.
Oh, okay.
Because this brand has a very big reputation in the market and the bookings जो होती है वो world wide होती है. It's not limited to Asia or
Right.
it's not dependent on India and it's not limited to
Got
India.
Got it.
World wide bookings होती है सर and most of the we were also shocked कि इतने आगे का people have already booked it.
Right.
And most of the categories are completely sold out and more than 6,500 passengers capacity
Oh.
and
बाप रे.
sailing twice a week
Oh.
and it's sold out.
Still sold out.
Just imagine.
Then
the
the Disney
craze.
brand has a lot of affiliate.
Absolutely. And
Brand recall value बहुत ज़्यादा है उसकी.
concept, if I talk about the concept of the ship, it's all Disney themed cruise, you know. 7 theme parks are there in the ship. The room categories are amazing.
And they'll have Disney characters on the ship
Disney
also.
characters on the ship, Star Wars, Marvels. There's so much more. All the Disney characters are there, and you know it's actually a bliss
Exactly.
for kids
Exactly.
and adults as well.
Adults,
Adults
even
will-
teenagers also are. Marvel, though, everyone knows the
Marvel,
Marvel
everyone
series.
knows, and there's Marvels, there's Disney characters. Plus, top of it, the dining experience what Disney provides is something else. So there's everything for everyone.
Right.
बच्चों के लिए भी वो entertainment है, and
Right.
as well as for the adults also there's an entertainment. There's 7 theme parks they can enjoy too. There's a roller coaster
Oh.
they can ride on. Then there's a different personalized dining experience for each and every guests.
क्या बात है.
मतलब personalized dining experience is very difficult to, but each and every guest will get a personalized dining experience in their themed restaurants.
Oh, nice.
So this is
something very
this is
unique.
very unique.
Very unique.
Very unique. And the services what you're going to get is, compared to the other ships, I would say Disney room sizes are also larger.
Larger.
It's large. If you talk about the base category, the inside cabins also, it's bigger than the normal inside what we get. You know, you can't expect a cruise liner to be as big as a hotel room. Those are
correct.
cabins,
Exactly.
and those are very cozy.
Correct.
But yet very luxurious. You know, you have your own cupboards, the washrooms, and everything is there, and you know, the space is there.
Correct.
But when I talk about Disney, the rooms are slightly bigger. Any category you book a veranda cabin, or you book a inside cabin or an ocean view cabin, you get a bigger size.
Oh. So it's going to be sort of a game changer.
It's going to
in
be
the
a
cruise
game
industry.
changer, definitely a game changer. A lot of people are asking for Disney, and they have seen the ads. They are heavily marketing. If you see their marketing, how they have done in the coming days, and they are going amazing.
Right. So it's a very good option for family with kids traveling.
It's a very good
Or
option
even
for
teenagers
everyone.
traveling.
I would
For
say
everyone, that's
for
true.
everyone, because
But-
I would recommend Disney. Everyone should experience Disney. Everyone should experience Disney, because the other fleets of Disney, they sail in the Caribbean and the Mediterranean. But this is for the first time it has come to Far East. I want everyone to experience it. You should, if you're going to Singapore, you should, first of all, if you're going to Singapore, my one and only thing is
Take a cruise.
Take a cruise, book a cruise. And I'm 100% sure about it. You won't regret.
Got it.
There's
Point taken.
no point of regrets when you book a cruise.
And that way, like you said, going to Singapore is much more easier, ticket-wise,
Absolutely.
visa-wise,
Visa-wise.
than going to US and going to Caribbean
Correct,
and
absolutely.
Europe.
Visas is hassle-free. Your tickets are
Right.
okay,
Much cheaper.
much cheaper than the Europe tickets
Right.
and everything.
Right.
Then plus top of it, the cruise is also very
Correct.
reasonable. Yeah? You know, it's
Correct,
not
correct.
that expensive
Correct.
also.
Correct.
If I
And
talk
you're getting the
about
same experience that you could get in Europe and Caribbean in
correct.
Singapore. So why not try it here?
There's those level of ships, those
Exactly.
size,
Exactly.
and I would say it's massive. Sir, it's 20 decks plus.
Oh,
If I talk about the floors, it's 20 plus decks, and
there's over 20 floors.
Yeah, 20 floors, approximately 20 floors. Like almost all the ships are of the same size. Disney is slightly bigger than both of the ships, Royal Caribbean and Genting Dream, but Genting is also not that small. It's 150, 150,000 tonnage ship.
Okay.
It's huge.
Huge.
A very nice experience.
Right.
You get a luxury experience at a very affordable price, and you should definitely go for a cruise.
Done. मेरा next holiday cruise पे. Done.
Definitely.
Great. So we talked about India. We talked about Singapore. Now within Asia, what are the other options available? Or are there any options?
So
any other
one
options?
thing I would, I missed out on one particular thing, is very important. Usually when I talk about cruising in Singapore, people think about 2-nighter, 3-nighters getaway, like a short sail getaway, you know. But there's more to it, so. My personal belief is, if you're going on a cruise, it should be minimum 7 nights or 10 nights.
Okay.
Where you actually understand the concept of cruising. Like you start from Singapore. What if I tell you, you get to explore 4 different countries? 4 different countries in 10 nights of sailing. 4 different countries, cruise experience, all meals, everything, the same inclusions. At much cheaper price.
Oh, अच्छा.
So प्राइस की बात तो हम छोड़ ही देते हैं, बिकॉज अगर आप कोई भी लैंड पार्ट आप कंपेयर कर लीजिए, आपको क्रूज 30% कम प्राइस पे ही मिलेगा. The price of the cruising is going to be 30% less than the what plans you have made for your land arrangements.
Okay.
So that is there. But my personal recommendations, if anyone wants to explore something in Far East, there's Norwegian Sun. The ship name is Norwegian Sun, Norwegian Cruise Lines, which is a very reputed cruise liners in the market, and my personal favorite. They sail on a 12-day and 14-day itineraries to the whole Far East thing, where they cover up more than 4 countries.
Okay.
Starting from Singapore, they go to Malaysia. Then from Malaysia, they go to Thailand. From Thailand, they go to Philippines. From Philippines, they go to Vietnam. From Vietnam, they drop you back to Thailand. And the destinations, if I talk about in Thailand, they discover Koh Samui. Koh Samui. Then they discover in various cities in Vietnam, Philippines, and
क्या बात है,
amazing experience.
मल्टी कंट्री,
Multi countries, multi cities, and in one particular one cruise. Cruise is also a destination.
राइट राइट,
It's a very different altogether. It's a very and top of it, you get if you purchase the all-inclusive plan, then nothing like it.
तो उमंग अभी सिंगापुर से तो काफी ऑप्शंस हमने बता दिए, थाईलैंड से भी बताया अभी आप ऑप्शन अपने 7 नाइट 8
Far
नाइट
East में
12 नाइट्स वगैरह वगैरह, तो एशिया में और कोई ऑप्शन है क्रूज के या अब ये दो ही है?
डेफिनेटली और भी बहुत सारे
Okay.
ऑप्शंस है फार ईस्ट से. एशिया में अगर हम देखें तो चाइना से भी बहुत सारे शिप्स चलती हैं,
ओके
स्पेसिफिकली फ्रॉम हांगकांग.
ओके,
And what's exciting about the Hong Kong itinerary is it starts from Hong Kong, then it goes to Japan,
ओह अच्छा,
and it comes back to Hong Kong.
क्या बात है,
तो ये जो आइटनरी है फॉर 4 नाइटर एंड 5 नाइट्स जो चलती है, जो जापान जाती है, द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस आइटनरी इज यू डोंट नीड जापान वीजा.
अच्छा,
यू
क्या
डोंट नीड अ
बात है,
जापान वीजा फॉर दैट.
वेरी गुड,
सो सिर्फ आपको वो हांगकांग का PAR करना है और ये सारी चीजें हैं, और सारी चीजें एवरीथिंग इज टेकन केयर बाय द क्रूज लाइन.
अरे बढ़िया बढ़िया
तो
बढ़िया,
ओकिनावा एक्सप्लोर करते हैं हम जापान में, a small place of
Okay,
Japan, and then you
right.
come back to
ओके ओके ओके,
China. Very beautiful. And at the moment I guess a Spectrum of the Seas चल रही है वहाँ पे. Royal Caribbean ऑपरेट कर रहा है.
अच्छा ओके,
So Royal Caribbean की Spectrum of the Seas is
ये शिप का नाम है,
शिप का नाम है.
ओके ओके,
तो मेरे हिसाब से बहुत ही यूनिक आइटनरी, यूनिक डेस्टिनेशन. एंड हांगकांग एक ऐसी जगह है ना कि बच्चों के लिए भी है, there's something for adults also. Then you do Hong Kong, Macau, plus if you add a cruise to it, nothing like it.
सोने पे सुहागा,
सोने पे सुहागा. Because आप there's an option for 2 nighters also.
ओके
some कुछ डेट्स में है.
Okay.
और आपके पास 4 नाइटर 5 नाइटर के भी ऑप्शंस हैं. तो राइट, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम शंघाई ऑल्सो, क्रूज स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम शंघाई एज वेल. एंड बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल आइटनरीज, और मतलब एक एक्सप्लोर, एक एक्सपेरिमेंट
Right,
के हिसाब से आप
right.
ट्राई आउट कर सकते
Try
हो
out
इफ
कर
यू आर
सकते
लुकिंग
हैं,
फॉर
बिल्कुल.
समथिंग एल्स. इफ यू हैव ऑलरेडी डन विद, आई मीट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु हैव ऑलरेडी डन विद सिंगापुर,
ओके,
एंड दे से वी डोंट वांट टू गो टू यूरोप बट वी वांट टू डू समथिंग इन
एशिया,
फार ईस्ट एशिया इटसेल्फ, लाइक एशिया में कुछ करना है. तो आई ऑनेस्टली रेकमेंड देम कि आप हांगकांग में क्रूज कर लीजिए 5 नाइटर्स या 4 नाइटर के लिए. इट्स अ वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस. यू गेट टू
Definitely.
सी जापान एज वेल, and
डेफिनेटली,
you come back to Hong Kong and you can spend the other 4 nights 5 nights in Hong Kong, and you can come back to India.
क्या
Like a
बात है,
very perfectly curated itinerary, you know. And the feedback is amazing.
Oh, nice, nice, nice.
So
It has to be. Japan is beautiful.
आप कहीं भी गलती कर सकते हो सर, बट इफ यू हैव बुक द राइट क्रूज फॉर द राइट पर्सन, वो बोलते हैं ना, आपको कहीं भी, मतलब आपका अगर लैंड पार्ट में कहीं गड़बड़ हो गया है तो आपको क्रूज बचा लेगा.
क्रूज बचा लेगा,
क्रूज बचा लेगा. दिस इज
Cruise में client खुश हो
इट्स अ
जाएगा.
सेइंग सर, इट्स अ
Right.
सेइंग इन द मार्केट. इट्स अ सेइंग बिकॉज अगर 4 रात में समथिंग, एनीथिंग हैज हैपेंड, लाइक द ड्राइवर इज लेट, गाड़ी पिकअप ड्रॉप लेट होते रहता है, तो जब कस्टमर क्रूज पे जाता है ना और जब बाहर निकलता है तो ही कम्स विद अ हैप्पी फेस.
Nothing can go wrong in a cruise.
Nothing can go wrong in a cruise if it is
Right.
planned and explained properly to the client.
Right.
वही बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है सर. आप अगर एकदम परफेक्शन के साथ
Correct.
सारी चीजें एक्सप्लेन करो क्लाइंट को, तो
Okay.
कहीं भी आप गलत जा ही नहीं सकते
जा ही
क्रूज
नहीं
के साथ.
Got it.
He'll come with a smiling face.
Perfect. तो इंडिया हो गया, एशिया पैसिफिक, सिंगापुर, यू टॉक्ट अबाउट हांगकांग,
Correct.
थाईलैंड, जापान भी क्रूजिंग हो गया. नाउ विल कम टू क्विकली टू यूरोप एंड कैरिबियन, बिकॉज वो तो काफी पुराना क्रूजिंग डेस्टिनेशन है एंड काफी डिकेड से क्रूजिंग चल रहा है.
बिल्कुल.
तो यूरोप में व्हाट वुड यू रिकमेंड, व्हिच काइंड ऑफ क्रूज वुड यू रिकमेंड? खासकर अभी सब लोग यूरोप का प्लानिंग भी कर रहे हैं.
जिस हिसाब से लोग क्रूजिंग के बारे में सोच रहे हैं सर, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हैव चेंज्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्रूजिंग्स. अगर मैं मेरे पर्सनल रिकमेंडेशंस अगर मैं दूं तो ग्रीक आइल्स आई वुड रिकमेंड फॉर अ कपल. इफ एनीवन इज लुकिंग फॉर अ हनीमून, यू नो, आपको हनीमून के लिए कहीं जाना है तो यूरोप में अगर कहीं जाना है तो ग्रीस से अच्छा डेस्टिनेशन तो कोई हो ही नहीं सकता. तो वहां से सर एथेंस से बहुत सारी क्रूजेस चलती हैं.
ओके,
different cruise liners. There's
Okay.
Celestial, there's Norwegian Cruise Lines,
Okay.
Royal Caribbean.
Okay.
n number of cruises.
Okay.
And for 7 nights, 10 nights ऐसी itineraries पे चलती है which goes to Turkey and covers up the whole Greece part, the Greek
Okay.
Isles,
Nice.
Mykonos, Athens, Santorini.
Okay.
And you know, it's a very beautiful itinerary, beautifully
Okay.
created for couples usually. आप family के साथ भी जा सकते हो, but my personal recommendation कि आप अगर Greece option choose कर रहे हो,
तो
it's a couple destination
Okay,
and it's a
okay.
very beautiful destination for a cruising.
right.
Secondly, यूरोप में मैं एक recommend करूँगा सर, in the Mediterranean, of course, it starts from Barcelona,
Spain.
Spain.
Okay.
Barcelona to Barcelona, 7-nighter, 3 countries, 3 cities.
Oh, nice.
Very beautiful.
Nice.
And there are so many options. Right from starting from MSC, there's Costa, there's Royal Caribbean, then Norwegian Cruise Lines, there's n number of cruises. मतलब हर एक के लिए हमें जैसे वर्जिन वॉयजेस, मतलब जो चॉइसेस आपको चाहिए वो सारी चॉइसेस आपको मिल सकती है.
Correct.
मतलब
But
हम
again, combining a land package with a cruise would be ideal for Europe.
डेफिनेटली, बिकॉज वही डेस्टिनेशंस आप कवर अप कर रहे हो वाया लैंड, and Europe is slightly bit complicated also for a client. You know, a lot of people in India, मेरे हिसाब से मेरा बिलीव ये है कि सर बहुत सारे लोग ग्रुप टूर्स में जाना पसंद करते हैं फॉर यूरोप. आज भी वो ग्रुप डिपार्चर्स ज़्यादा प्रेफर करते हैं कंपैरेटिवली टू ट्रैवल ऑन एन FIT बेसिस, क्योंकि वो समझना, ट्रेन्स लेना, कोचेस लेना, ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत लोगों को नहीं समझ में आती है. ये सब चीज़
लैंग्वेज बैरियर होता है काफ़ी.
लैंग्वेज बैरियर होता है, एंड देयर इज लॉट ऑफ अदर हैसल्स आल्सो, बिकॉज एजेंट्स के लिए भी वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है कि उन्हें समझाएं. तो दे आल्सो, एजेंट्स आल्सो नाउडेज प्रेफर कि कोई ग्रुप डिपार्चर हो तो हम उन्हें उसमें भेज दें.
राइट.
तो ऐसे टाइम पे आई ऑलवेज रेकमेंड टू द एजेंट्स दैट कि आप वीज़ाज और ये सारी चीज़ें तो आप करने ही वाले हो एनीवेज. आप एक क्रूज रेकमेंड कीजिए फॉर अ 7 nights and 10 nights itinerary, and nothing can go wrong in that.
Right.
Your client is seeing all the destinations also.
Correct.
If you're booking the shore excursions.
Correct.
Or else अगर आप क्रूज से नहीं बुक करना चाहते हो तो you can just book the shore excursions from somewhere else.
Correct.
You know, from your suppliers or anywhere.
Correct.
Secondly, all meals are taken care of by your guests. आपके गेस्ट के लिए सारे मील्स टेकन केयर किए जाते हैं आपके डाइटरी के हिसाब से, जैसे हमने पहले बात किया था. जैन मील चाहिए, सब चीज़ आपको मिल रही है. प्लस उसके साथ साथ इंटरटेनमेंट एक्टिविटीज सारी चीज़ें मिल रही है. अगर बच्चे हैं तो बच्चों के लिए मैजिक शोज चल रहे हैं, ब्रॉडवे शोज हैं, स्विमिंग पूल, जकूजी, स्लाइड्स, देयर आर सो मेनी ऑप्शंस.
राइट.
तो यूरोप, व्हाई नॉट यूरोप?
Correct.
You know, if
Europe has been the center of cruising for
center of cruising, and ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है ना सर, एजेंट्स शुड सामने से बोलना चाहिए उन्होंने कि आप क्रूज ले लीजिए. बिकॉज क्या होता है ना, कभी कभार कि मन है यूरोप जाने का, बट कहीं ना कहीं वो चीज़ रुक जाती है जस्ट बिकॉज कि कोई परफेक्ट डिपार्चर नहीं मिल पाता है, या परफेक्ट टूर मैनेजर नहीं रहता है, या परफेक्ट कोई, दे कैन जस्ट हैंड ओवर देयर क्लाइंट्स टू एनी ऑफ द अदर कंपनीज. वो भी एक डर रहता है.
Got it. यूरोप में जस्ट लाइक सिंगापुर यू सेड कि लैंड के साथ क्रूजिंग करना ही चाहिए.
करेक्ट.
वैसे इज अ गुड ऑप्शन.
करेक्ट.
एंड I think river also cruising is also big option. We'll come to that in some other episode. In some other episode we'll come to that because it's a big option.
With a big it's a very vast
subject,
thing and
very big subject also.
लंबा चले जाएगा.
बहुत river cruising is actually a very good concept and we'll come to that in some different episode for sure. तो उमंग, अभी यूरोप तो हो गया, अभी हम स्टार्ट फ्रॉम इंडिया, एशिया, यूरोप आ गए. USA में भी क्रूजिंग काफ़ी सालों से चल रहा है, काफ़ी डिकेड से चल रहा है. तो USA में आप कौन सा क्रूजिंग would you recommend for people to go this year?
So in the US, I would definitely recommend a Bahamas cruise.
Okay.
And that is something which is very trending. The biggest ship, मतलब वर्ल्ड के सारे बड़े ships वहीं पे चल रहे हैं.
Right.
Like starting from Icon of the Seas to Star of the Seas, Legend of the Seas, there's Norwegian Aqua. तो जैसे अगर आप USA जा रहे हैं, इफ यू गोइंग टू द करेबियंस, मियामी से सारे सेलिंग्स चलते हैं. शॉर्ट सेलिंग्स भी है, लॉन्ग सेल्स भी हैं. 3 nighter, 4 nighter, 7 nighters केस में चलता है. तो विच इज़ अ वेरी यूनिक एक्सपीरियंस एंड डिफरेंट. एंड एवरी क्रूज लाइनर हैज़ देयर ओन आइलैंड्स ऑल्सो.
Okay.
So Royal Caribbean has their own private island. So वो भी आप वाया क्रूजिंग आप वो एक्सप्लोर करके यू कैन कम बैक. तो ये कुछ यूनिक चीज़ें हैं जो USA में कर सकते हैं. एंड इफ यू टॉकिंग अबाउट द करेबियन, Then there's one more thing which is very trending and बहुत ही unique experience है, which is an Alaskan cruises. Alaskan cruises जो
और cruises
Seattle
होते हैं वहाँ
से
पे?
starts from Seattle to Seattle 7-nighter.
Okay.
बहुत सारे brands हैं जो Alaskan specialists हैं, जो cruise liners हैं जो बहुत ही जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ अलास्का के लिए जाने जाते हैं. The number one name which I'm going to take is Holland America.
Okay.
The second name is Princess. These are the two brands, and there are other several brands also. Norwegian hai, Royal Caribbean hai.
They go to Alaska.
They go to Alaska. The main part is they go to the inside passage.
Oh, wonderful.
Holland America and Princess, they go to the inside passage, and
Wonderful.
that is something very unique. And a lot of people want the Alaska cruise. If you have the US visa आपके पास है तो आप जा सकते हो.
वो recommend
Recommend
even if you're going there on a holiday to visit your relatives, I think adding on a Alaska cruise would be
Absolutely.
plus point होना चाहिए.
हाँ होना चाहिए
Great.
बिल्कुल. If you're going to US and then Alaska is something.
क्योंकि लोग जाते हैं 3-3 4-4 महीने रहते हैं, but they don't do a cruise.
They don't do a cruise.
But they should do either a Bahamas or a Caribbean or a
I highly
Alaskan
recommend
cruise.
a 7-nighter cruise from Seattle.
Oh, nice.
And 7-nighter Alaskan cruise. It's a very unique experience. And ये experience है कि अगर आप जा रहे हो तो आपको करना चाहिए.
करना चाहिए. Definitely.
ये
definitely.
एक recommendation है.
Definitely.
Yes.
110%. वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ ना कि ये ऑप्शन लोगों को पता नहीं होता. Even agents don't know this option कि भाई you can suggest it to your client.
आपको ये सारी चीजें पता होनी चाहिए. इसके साथ साथ आपको ये भी जानकारी होनी चाहिए कि आपके वीजा रिक्वायरमेंट्स मीट होने चाहिए ये सब चीजों के लिए. क्योंकि if you're going for an Alaskan cruising, Alaska के cruises में you need to require 2 visas. Not only US visa but you need a Canadian visa as well. So both the visas are required.
Right.
So these are very few informations where everyone should know about, and a lot of people should talk about.
Right.
you know.
Exactly.
The visa requirements is the most essential part. So
Right.
ये
But ठीक है, but people normally plan much in advance going to
much
US.
in advance and
तो दोनों वीजा करने में कोई दिक्कत वाली
कोई
बात तो
दिक्कत
है
वाले
नहीं. है नहीं. Now, I think one important part which is also coming up now, जिसका हम लोग पहले बात भी कर रहे थे, before the shoot started we were talking about it. It is basically about going to the 2 poles, South Pole and North Pole. वो भी cruising काफी popular हो रहा है.
Absolutely.
In the last few years among Indians also. तो उसके बारे में in short what
so
would
we're
you
talking about Antarctica now.
Antarctica, right?
Yes. So Antarctica cruising is getting on very popular in the past 2 साल से तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा popular हुआ है. A lot of people are traveling there and a lot of people's dream destination. It would be a 7th continent, so
Right.
so it would be the last place where a person would love to travel, you know, after exploring the whole world.
Exactly.
Then it would be the last place where I want to go to Antarctica and I want to finish everything.
Correct.
So Antarctica में sir expedition cruises चलती हैं. There are a lot of brands which provide an all-inclusive plan. Luxury brands से लेके there's like everything. मतलब minimum आप लीजिए 7 nights to 11 nights की itineraries होती है, 12 nights itineraries होती है.
But you get to go onto the continent. You can step onto the continent.
Yes, you stay on the cruise.
Okay.
Obviously because but the ship takes you to the
क्या बात.
places.
Nice.
Like you pass on through the glaciers, the ice glaciers and everything, and it's very beautiful.
And you get to get all those seals and penguins.
Correct.
nice.
And a lot of people want to go to there. Like जितने भी HNI clients हैं, they're preferring and they want to go to Antarctica. Antarctica is very booming up destination.
Booming up.
Yes,
Right.
definitely.
Great. So I think we have covered almost all the continents.
Yeah, we have.
So cruising can happen in all continents.
Almost all the
across the world.
continents.
Across
कुछ
the
रह
world.
भी गया होगा तो
नहीं, we have covered almost everything.
जैसे कि आपने अभी सुना, हम लोग ने क्रूजेस के बारे में काफ़ी बातचीत की. अब यहाँ तक अगर आप आ चुके हैं तो सिर्फ इतना बोलना चाहूँगा कि अगर आप अगले साल या कभी भी एक क्रूज़ प्लान कर रहे हैं और आप चाहते हैं कि हम आपका क्रूज़ पूरी तरह से डिज़ाइन करें, आपकी आइटिनरी से लेके सारी चीज़ें हैसल फ्री, एंड रेकमेंड यू योर परफेक्ट क्रूज़, you can contact Ease Voyages or you can contact your nearby travel agents to book your cruise. Basically, we are dealing with all the cruise liners in the market, and right starting from Royal Caribbean, Norwegian, I won't take names, we have more than 15 cruise liners in our portfolio. So any queries, you can just call me up or you can drop us an email or you can contact us. Thank you so much for watching.
तर मंडळी, तुम्ही असे जर क्रूज प्लॅन करत असाल, क्रूज हॉलिडे प्लॅन करत असाल, आत्ता जानेवारी महिना आहे, तुम्ही नक्कीच एप्रिल मेच्या सहली 100% प्लॅन करत असाल, तर नक्की तुम्ही क्रूजचा विचार करा. सिंगापूर असेल, जपान असेल, ते म्हणले जसं युरोपमध्ये जात असाल, अमेरिकेत जात असाल, नातवंडांकडे, मुलांकडे, अलास्का क्रूज करा, बहामास क्रूज करा US मधनं. युरोपला जाणार असाल, युरोप तुमच्या लँड पार्ट बरोबर एक छोटी क्रूज 3 नाईट, 4 नाईट, 5 नाईट 100% प्लॅन करा. एक वेगळा अनुभव घ्या. आणि आय एम शुअर तुम्ही पुढच्या वर्षी परत क्रूज हॉलिडेला 100% जाल, तुम्ही एक हा अनुभव घेतल्यावर. हं? तर कसा वाटला एपिसोड नक्की सांगा. आणि आमचा चॅनल लाईक आणि सबस्क्राईब 100% करा. धन्यवाद.